Hello everyone, my name is Nandkishore Yadav from Department of Information Technology, ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. In the lecture series of doubly linked list, we have so far discussed creation of a doubly linked list and traversing of a doubly linked list. In this lecture, we are going to discuss insertion in doubly linked list. Firstly, in this lecture, we have to write an algorithm for insertion at beginning of a given doubly linked list. So let's assume this doubly linked list in memory where we have to given address of starting node. So this is the start variable which is given to us. Okay, fine. Now just start writing the algorithm for insertion in beginning. For that, we just write insertion at beginning. Now start is given, so we have to write here start and data. Data means this data we have to insert it, or we have to have in new node. Okay. Now in next step, we just begin algorithm. In the first step, we have to create a new node. So just write here new is also a pointer variable. New is equal to create a new node. Create node. Okay. Okay. Now in the second step, we have to check the node is created or not, or it means key memory is allocated to new node or not. So we have to check. We have to check if new is equal to null, means no memory is allocated to null, then we have to print overflow. So we have to write print overflow. Overflow here. Okay, we have to write print, and from here we have to perform exit operation. Okay, we can exit from here. In the third step, now we can see that if the node is created, so let's assume that this is the node whose address is 1500, and this name of this node is new now. Okay, and data is already inserted here. Now firstly, let's discuss what are the changes we have to do in this node. So now starting node is this one. So we have to connect a new node with the start node. So how do we do that? We have to write address of, we have to uh, put this address 1000 into right of new variable, means we have to move this address here. Okay, and again because this is doubly linked list, so previous node for this node will be new node now. So address new value is moved to left of starting node. Okay, and at last we have to move start node up to new node. So in this way we have to write the steps. So firstly, what we have done, we have to write left of start, left of start variable is equal to new. We have connected this node new to this one, means uh, this node will have its previous node now. Now in the fourth step, we have to write right of what? Right of new. Right of new will be contain start variable. Start means here we have to put address 1500. So using this step we have performed that, and here we have to put 1000 address. Okay, so we have use this step for that. In the fifth step, what we can do, we can just change this variable. We can move this variable up to here. Why? Because before that, starting node is this one. Now after inserting this node, what happens? This node, start node, will be our new node. So we have to write here start is equal to new. Now in sixth step, we can see that because this is now starting node, so start variable move from here to a new node. Now this is our start node. Now, so no value is here, so we have to put null value here. So in here we have to write left of start is equal to null. And in last step we have to write exit operation. So this is the algorithm. In this way we can insert. So thank you all for listening me.